Casa Anonna on Vieques is now for sale. Let's go take a property tour. Here we are on the top floor, private entrance to the top floor of 3 floors. Each floor has its own apartment or unit. And immediately I'm met by the amazing view of the Caribbean Sea off in the distance. That's looking to the north over the north side of Vieques here. Normally on a clearer day you can see the mainland and Fajardo and Palomino Island and a bit of the mainland. This property is about 0.6 of an acre, and you can see down there, you can see the walls. It's a walled property, fence on one side, lots of privacy, lots of garden area, and as you saw there, a sneak peek, it does have a pool. There's that's the north or the southwest corner, which has its own parking down there. There's another parking lot up closer to the house. Since there are 6 bedrooms in this house, it does have suitable parking. And as you can see, very, very mature vegetation everywhere. A lot of these palm trees are huge. This one right here in our left, imagine those trees probably grow about a foot a year. So here we are 30, 40 feet up in the air. It's nice to have some mature vegetation surrounding a house. And here's a nice, gorgeous feature of the top floor, and it's this big deck area suitable for dining and lounging and entertaining and sitting. It is shaded this side. That we're on the north side of the house, so this is pretty much going to be shaded throughout the day. You get a glimpse of the sunsets in the late afternoon, but most of the time during the day it's going to be shaded. You can see a couple of the French doors there, the storm doors, and the windows, and this leads us into a large open kitchen living room area. Here's the kitchen. You can see on the left side there is a little desk area. Everything else has tons of storage. There's a dishwasher, stove, refrigerator, an island there. And then there's the living room. So this is a big open area, perfect for entertaining, relaxing. The open space also helps with the cross breezes that come through here. We get often tropical trade winds that blow through Vieques, so it's nice to be able to open 2 or 3 sides of a house, all the windows, and let the breeze flow through. Here in the hallway, we've got the washer and dryer, conveniently located. And the next door here on the left, notice the nice wood doors, is the first of 2 bathrooms. This has nice tile on the walls, a tiled floor, and the floor tile is the same throughout the house except for here in the bathroom. But you can see the shower, you can see the toilet and the sink. And the next room down here is the first of 2 bedrooms. This is going to be the southeast corner of this floor. You can see the ceiling fan. You can see the AC mini split. One note is that every bedroom in this property has a AC unit. The other rooms do not have AC. Those that live on Vieques long enough know that it's nice to have the AC units in the bedroom and often don't need AC in the rest of the house, especially if you have nice cross breezes coming through. This is kind of considered the primary bedroom on this floor, even though there's 2 beds there. Again, ceiling fan and mini split. This has an ensuite bath, which I'll get to in a second, but one of the nice features of this room is that it has a balcony off the back of the house. So you've got the French doors that lead out to it. It runs down the whole backside. There's windows to the other bedroom that we just saw. So you have this whole backside, and one, it's convenient because you can put the compressors for the AC units out here, but it's also a nice little private spot. So on the left there, that's the Los Chivos Ridgeline Road. We're on the west end of that. Technically, we're in Monte Santo, but that's the Los Chivos Ridgeline Road. And again, you see the view back out over the ocean. It's been a little cloudy day today. Not ideal for seeing off in the distance, but back in the bedroom, see a nice tile on the floor, concrete walls, concrete ceiling. The whole structure is concrete. It's very sturdy. And then this is the ensuite bathroom. See the linen closet there on the left. You have the shower with its own windows looking west. Again, nice tile, vanity and toilet, and the wood doors. It's all very clean. This property right now is being used as a short-term rental, has been used that way for a while. So turnkey ready investment property. Could be turned into a long-term property rental each floor if that's what you prefer. But it's had a very successful history as a short-term rental property. This floor is probably around 1,700 square feet, I believe, including indoor-outdoor space. Each floor is kind of around that square footage. And this obviously where people are going to spend a good amount of their time is out here on these decks. Very relaxing and cool and great views. So again, this is a private entrance through these stairs. Let's go down and check out the second floor. So this is the second floor, the middle of the three. Again, it has its own private entrance here, a little gate to a little back balcony or patio area. Very close to what you saw there was the uphill parking area. So this area can be locked off. There's the other entrance, parking area, a little further uphill. And immediately here we come into the living room. You can see the windows on two sides. They are louvered glass windows. Again, concrete, nice tile floors, very clean. This property is move-in ready, very clean. Living room there for folks that want to sit and watch their Netflix or TV or something. On the other side, we've got a nice kitchen. This has the same amenities as upstairs. It has the dishwasher, the stove, the range, the refrigerator. It's more, if you remember correctly, that upstairs has the island. This has a proper dining table. It does have the back patio like upstairs. We'll see that in a second. So you could dine out there as well. And you can see the finishes are nice. The cabinets are very practical, very useful. Tile backsplash, very clean. Lots of storage space. So if someone is living here long term, certainly plenty of storage space for a kitchen. There's nice arches leading between the kitchen and the living room. Adds a nice little flair to the architecture. Again, that's looking back to the front door where we just came in. So a good sized kitchen. You can certainly imagine you could host. Well, you could certainly cook Thanksgiving there. I imagine you'd host it back on the patio. So that's the kitchen. It's a hallway, a little tease of what we're going to see in a second. Here's just a reminder what the living room looks like. Through the window there, you can see the stairs that go up to the top floor that we were just on. Again, same thing on this floor. The bedrooms have AC. The kitchen and living room do not. The idea is you open the windows, you have the screen door, turn on the fans, and that's more than enough to keep folks cool during the day and in the evening. The first room here on the right, this is one of two bedrooms on this floor. You can see the tile floor. This is set up with two twin beds. Got the ceiling fan, the mini split AC, and then windows on two sides, which can be opened as well to catch the cross breeze. Those windows here lead out onto the patio, which we'll get out to in a second, or the balcony. See the makeshift closet and the dresser. More than enough storage for someone that might be staying here for a couple of nights or a week. I imagine in this room you could also probably fit a queen bed if you just wanted one bed in there. Certainly enough room for that. Come back out into the hallway. We'll go across the hall. And here we have the bedroom number 2 on this floor. This window is facing west, so this is going to get a lot of the late afternoon sun, which really comes in and brightens this room. And here you can see you've got a larger bed, probably queen size, I'm guessing, with the closet on the right. So I have ceiling fan and mini split. Room for a dresser. You saw the closet. So it's a very bright room with this view. This faces west, so from here you can see the ocean and the Vieques landscape to the west. all the hills. So keep in mind as you're watching these videos, obviously you can speed them up, you can slow them down, you can pause them, go in reverse. It's one of the nice things about these. If you want to see a room again or try to figure out the layout, you can certainly play around with the video. So this floor has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, and this is it. Again, this has the toilet and the vanity, tile on the walls. They added in some glass block windows there, which I actually like. Lets in a lot of natural light, kind of brightens up the room a little bit. And then the shower itself has a window facing west, so not a bad view from the shower. So there, it's a shower, not a bath. Very few houses on Vieques actually have bathtubs. And well, this would be, this one has the shower. Again, very clean. This has been a short-term rental property for a while. Very clean, very well maintained. Come back out here to the back porch or back balcony. So we're up on the 2nd floor. Again, lots of room for sitting and dining, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, lounging, entertaining, and absolutely gorgeous view. This is why people come and rent properties like this. They want a lot of outdoor space. They want the privacy. They want the view. They want the garden. They want the pool. And this property certainly has all of that. And look at that mature vegetation. There's one of the property lines. You can see that's the east boundary of the property. It's a fence right there. And then we pan there from east to west. A little tease of the pool. We'll get down there in a second. And keep in mind, if you're liking these property tours, been loving some of the feedback we've been getting from folks, please like and subscribe. Hit the buttons down below. Feel free to share it with anyone you think might be interested in this property. Sharing is caring, and when you hit like and subscribe, it lets other like-minded folks like yourself know about stuff like this. So we appreciate the feedback and the support. Got a barbecue here, lounge area, a couple of lounge chairs, sofa. This is going to be an area where most people are going to spend most of their time when they're at this property. And it's all clean. It's all clean. It's all move-in ready. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but this property is really a jewel up here in the hills. So that's the garden view. Let's go take a look at the garden level. So come down the stairs from the 2nd floor. This whole unit on the right, there's a main door right there, all these windows. This is a whole nother unit. It's currently being used as the manager's quarters. And this isn't the manager. That's not the manager. That's just a friendly feline who lives in the neighborhood. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Let's go up the stairs and I'll show you. There's a side door to the manager's apartment, as well as a little back patio and door there. Currently set up with 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Could be 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. It's got a laundry room there as well as some additional storage. I can send you the layout. And actually, considering it's a rental property, if you do want to see this in person, please give me as much advance notice as possible. There it is. There's the pool. We saw teases of it from above. But with such a large property, it's nice to be able to do a lot of gardening. It's nice to have the privacy. It's nice to have the pool. This really has a lot of features that a lot of folks want. And then throw in the mature landscaping. If you build a new home or start with a vacant piece of land, you're talking, could be 30, 40 years before your trees get this big. So this is a big addition to the property. Some gorgeous specimens. It just adds a lot of privacy is what it does as well. Sound barrier, visual barriers, makes you feel like you're kind of like your own little private oasis. that's looking to the southwest corner of the property. A lot of room to even add in some casitas, some recreational activities if you want to do a pickleball court or something like that. Look at that starfruit tree, just filled with starfruit. So this is Casa Anonna. It's for sale. If you want more information, contact us through our website, www.paraisorealtypr.com. I'm Bob, and thanks for going on another tour with us.